Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic. Alright viewers, here we are at our computer screen and you can check out that this is Australian National University Scholarship 2021 which is announced, and now I'm going to share with you. This is the moment you have been waiting for. Applications are now invited to apply for Australian National University Scholarship 2021. A total number of 600 scholarships is offered for the international as well as domestic student by Australian National University. Australian National University is offering a diverse range of fields in this ANU Scholarship 2021. Australian National University is offering scholarships for students who want to pursue their master's and PhD degrees. Now let's have a look through Australian National University. ANU is located in Canberra. The National University is founded in 1946 by Parliament of the Australia. Australian National University is considered as one of the world's best research universities and one of the most particular institutes of higher learning in the world. The ANU ranks first in Australia and whole of the Oceania. Scott Morrison, Australian Prime Minister, announced to allow international students into the country as soon as July 2020. Now let me explain or briefly explain this scholarship. Country is Australia and Australian government is funding this scholarship, and amazing thing is that almost 600 scholarships are going to be offered. Now let's talk about major fields which are available for this scholarship. College of Asia and Pacific, College of Science, College of Engineering and Computer Science, College of Art and Social Sciences, College of Law, College of Business and Economics. Now let's talk about benefits, which is the main and keen part of any scholarship which a student is concerned about. Allowance for living expenses, airfare tickets for the scholarship program, full tuition fee, books and course material will be provided, allowance for thesis or synopsis, health insurance and monthly stipend as well. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. All international student and domestic student can apply for ANU scholarship. Candidate must hold a bachelor degree for enrolling in master's program, English language proficiency certificate, and applicant with more excellent research output, academic record or prior research experience will be preferred. Deadline for this scholarship is 31st of August 2020 and you can apply by clicking this link in the description of this video. I will give a link in the description of this video. You can apply there as well. Alright viewers, if you have any questions or query related to this scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will answer you. And if you want to apply and read online all this material, you can click that link given in the description of this video.